Hello and welcome to my channel KAM Marketing. This is the 10th video series of my KAM Affiliate Mastery course, which is a course designed for everyone who want to make money online using affiliate marketing. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create favicon for your website. So what is favicon? If you move to any site, then this is the point. If you are looking towards Canva, then this is the favicon for Canva. If you look at our site, I have just created favicon for my site, and before this there is a blank page, and there you may be looking something other, but favicon is good for branding purpose. So how to create this? In this video I will tell you how you can create this for your website. So move to the canva.com. It is free for everyone, and once you move to the dashboard, click on custom dimensions, choose 100 by 100 pixels, click on create new design, and here you are seeing a screen. So just click on this and select a color. I have selected this color. You can select as per your interest. So just I select this color. That color has been pasted on that page. So what next? Click on text, add a text. So let's suppose my ladder's paradise. So I will write L space P and just type the text Lato, which is my site text. So I will select this and now drag this into the center and even decrease this to 200 so page looks more better visible to us. And now select this and make its size a little bit bigger. So once more. So now I think it's looking better. You can further make it bigger. So I hope this is looking better now. Again select it, make its color white so it's look more standout and more appealing. And once you are okay with this, even you can add different elements like ladders, pictures. There are free and paid images as well, so always select the free ones if you are using a free account. And so it is up to you whether you want to add an image, you just want to write a words. So I am just writing words here, so just that's fine for me. After completing this, now click on download or publish. Here are you seeing download? Click on download and select the PNG and click download. So once you download that image, as I have already downloaded, move towards your website and go to appearance, customize, click on branding, and this is your favicon. So click on select image, upload file, select files, and this is my favicon image. Click on this, open, choose image, and that favicon has been added. Click on publish. Once it gets published, just refresh your page. Sometime it may take 2 to 3 minutes, so wait for this until you see your favicon here. So as I already added my favicon, and this is the favicon. So it looks just better and create a better branding for your website. I hope you like this video, and if you have any question, please ask me in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel so that you get notified when I create new videos for this channel. Thank you.